In this tutorial, I will show you how to make Monday the first day of the week. The setting affects the taskbar calendar pop-up in the lower right corner. This tutorial works on literally every possible Windows version you might be using, including Windows 7. Open Control Panel and switch to Icons view. Find the region or region and language item and open it. Click on the drop-down First Day of Week and choose Monday or any other day on which the week should start. If you don't want to switch to Icons view, but instead prefer Category view, expand the Clock on Region or the Clock, Language and Region category, and under Region or Region and Language, follow the link Change the Date, Time or Number formats. If you are using Windows XP, you cannot set the first day of the week as Monday through Control Panel, because it is tied to the specific region. To change it, go to Control Panel and in the left pane choose Classic View. Then open the Regional and Language Options item. In the USA, the week usually starts on Sunday, however that is not the case in the UK. If I apply English United Kingdom, the first day of the week will change to Monday automatically. There is a way to override the default first day of the week and set it to Monday though. You'll need to edit the Windows registry. While an incorrect edit might break things on your system, if you are careful, you can successfully override the first day of week setting. Open the Start menu and choose Run. In the Run box, type in regedit and press Enter. Navigate to H key Current User, Control Panel, International. Find the string I first day of week and open it. Change its value to 0 for Monday or 1 for Tuesday and so on. 6 is Sunday. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you want to see more such tutorials, please consider subscribing to the channel.